In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Grammarly account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which sign-in option is best for you so you can get back to writing with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the official Grammarly website at grammarly.com. Make sure you're on the genuine site before proceeding. It should load a clean homepage with Grammarly's branding and a navigation bar across the top. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click Login. This takes you to the secure sign-in screen. Here, you'll see a few different ways to access your account. If you originally created your account with an email address, type that same email into the field and select Continue. Using the email you registered with ensures that Grammarly can find your existing account and preferences. If your browser autofills an address you don't use for Grammarly, clear it and enter the correct one to avoid sign-in issues. Alternatively, you can use a single-click sign-in method. You'll see options to sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, or use single sign-on. Choose the one that matches how you first set up your Grammarly account. These methods are secure and fast because they verify you through your existing provider. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with sign in with Google. Click Sign in with Google and a Google window will appear. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you'll see a list of available accounts. Select the account that's linked to your Grammarly profile, then continue. If you're not signed into Google yet, you'll be prompted to enter your Google credentials first. Follow the on-screen prompts, and if you're asked to review permissions, confirm to proceed. If your organization or personal Google account uses additional verification, simply complete that step and continue. Once you've chosen the correct account and confirmed, you'll be redirected back to Grammarly. You should land in your Grammarly editor or dashboard, which confirms you're successfully logged in. If you're taken to a setup or welcome page, that's normal for first-time sign-ins on a new device. Just proceed as prompted. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Always use the same sign-in method you used when you created your account to prevent duplicate profiles. If a pop-up blocker prevents the Google or Apple window from opening, temporarily allow pop-ups for Grammarly to complete the sign-in. And if you use a work or school login with single sign-on, choose that option and follow your organization's usual sign-in process. That's it. Simple, secure, and you're in. Thanks for watching, and enjoy writing with Grammarly.